Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing well and in great shape. Today's recipe is sardines prepared in a light way without excess fat. I hope today's recipe will be to your liking. For the ingredients, I have 1 kilo of sardines that I cleaned and deboned. I also have half a cup of water, 1 squeezed lemon, and 1 roasted red pepper. The roasted pepper gives the chermoula a very delicious flavor. I have 4 tablespoons of coriander and parsley. I also have half a teaspoon of ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and salt to taste. I add a little cumin using half a small teaspoon. I also have half a teaspoon of ground thyme or 1 teaspoon if fresh. I add 1½ tablespoons of paprika and 4 cloves of garlic. I also add 1 small teaspoon of harissa and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I add half a teaspoon of baking powder, which is optional. Now let us move on to the preparation method. I blend half a cup of water with the squeezed lemon. I add the roasted pepper and 4 tablespoons of herbs. This is just a quick reminder of the ingredients. I already mentioned all the spices earlier. I blend everything lightly without overmixing. I pour the aromatic mixture into a bowl. I add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of flour. I mix everything and adjust depending on the liquid. Sometimes lemons contain more juice and sometimes less. The juice strength can vary depending on the lemon. I stop adding flour when the texture is right. I ended up using 1½ tablespoons of flour. I take half a sardine or 1 whole sardine. I dip it into the chermoula mixture until coated. I repeat the process until all sardines are coated. I cover the sardines and let them rest for 15 minutes. Then I arrange them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. If you do not have parchment paper, lightly grease the tray. I arrange the sardines neatly on the tray. The parchment paper was also lightly greased with oil. These sardines turn out very delicious with a fried-like taste. This method gives the flavor of frying without deep frying. You get the fried taste without added fats. The sardines cook only in their own natural oils. I bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Here is the final result after about 30 minutes of baking. They look amazing with a fried flavor but no oil. They are healthy and completely oil-free. I place the sardines on a serving plate. This is the final presentation of the dish. I decorated it with sliced onions and small hot peppers. I also added cherry tomatoes for decoration. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you in the next recipe.